Hi all, here's a quick review of the Ajazz AKS068. The box contains a standard USB-C to A cable, a user manual, keycap and switch pullers, thick PBT keycaps with nice crisp legends, and 45 grams linear switches. The case is a clip-on design and you need to remove the knob to pry it open. Mine came off in 2 parts, a reminder that we're dealing with a budget board here. The case contains a 3000 milliamp battery, a thin sheet of foam, and a silicone layer to reduce hollowness. The PCB is a tri-mode hot swap with south-facing LEDs. The side RGB can be configured separately from the per-key RGB. The board only supports plate-mounted stabilizers, which come lubed, though more tuning is needed to achieve better results. Assembly time. As a meaningless bonus, a 6.25U spacebar. Yay! Okay, let's jump to the stock sound test.